Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you an action fantasy film movie lover? Then Wrath of the Titans is a must-watch movie. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it, and share the video with everyone. If you have seen this movie, then write your opinion about the movie in the comment box. If you have not seen this movie, the link of the movie is given in the description box. Definitely watch it. Now, let's go to the movie. Wrath of the Titans is a 2012 action fantasy film and a sequel to the 2010 film Clash of the Titans. The film stars Sam Worthington, Rosamund Pike, Bill Nighy, Edgar Ramirez, Toby Kebbell, Danny Huston, Ralph Fiennes, and Liam Neeson, with Jonathan Liebesman directing a screenplay by Dan Mazo and David Leslie Johnson from a story by them and Greg Berlanti. Wrath of the Titans takes place a decade after the events of the preceding film as the gods lose control over the imprisoned Titans and Perseus is called, this time to rescue his father Zeus, overthrow the Titans, and save mankind. Talk of a sequel began with the release of Clash of the Titans in March 2010. Writers Dan Mazo and David Leslie Johnson were hired in June 2010 and director Jonathan Liebesman was brought on board in August 2010. The majority of the casting took place between January and February 2011. Principal photography began in London in March 2011. Like its predecessor, the film was converted to 3D in post-production. Wrath of the Titans was released in 2D and 3D on 30th March 2012 in the United States. The film received mostly negative reviews from critics and underperformed at the box office, grossing $302 million worldwide on a budget of $150 million. A sequel entitled Revenge of the Titans was planned for a 2013 release, but was cancelled due to Wrath's underperformance and too few ideas for a script. 10 years after defeating Hades' Kraken, Perseus, the demigod son of Zeus, now lives as a fisherman with his young son Helios after the death of his wife Io. Zeus visits Perseus and asks for his help, saying that humans are not praying to the gods. As a result, the gods are losing their power and becoming mortal, meaning they can no longer sustain the walls of Tartarus which are holding back the imprisoned Titan Kronos from freedom. Perseus, valuing his family's safety, refuses to get involved. Zeus meets his brothers Hades and Poseidon and his son Ares in Tartarus. He asks Hades' help in rebuilding Tartarus' walls, but Hades rejects the offer and attacks Zeus. Ares too, having decided to betray Zeus, attacks his father. Poseidon is fatally injured in the ensuing fight. Hades and Ares imprison Zeus, stealing his thunderbolt. They plan to make a deal with Kronos. In exchange for remaining immortal, they will drain Zeus' divine power to revive Kronos. The walls of Tartarus break, unleashing monsters onto the world. After killing a two-headed chimera that attacked his village, Perseus travels to meet his father. He instead finds a dying Poseidon who informs him of the situation and tells him to find his demigod son Aegina, who will lead him to Hephaestus, who knows the way into Tartarus. Poseidon then gives Perseus his trident and succumbs to his injuries. Perseus, Andromeda and Aegina set out to find Hephaestus on a hidden island. Aegina explains that Hephaestus created 3 weapons which Zeus, Hades, and Poseidon wield: Zeus' thunderbolt, Hades' pitchfork, and Poseidon's trident, which can jointly form the Spear of Triumph, the only weapon that can defeat Kronos. After an encounter with 330 feet Cyclops, the travelers eventually meet the now mortal Hephaestus and reach the entrance of a labyrinth leading to Tartarus. Hephaestus sacrifices himself during an attack by Ares to enable Perseus, Andromeda, and Aegina to enter the labyrinth. Once inside the labyrinth, they encounter the Minotaur that attacks them, but Perseus manages to kill it. The group eventually enters Tartarus. Meanwhile, Zeus has been almost entirely drained of power as Kronos awakens. Zeus apologizes to Hades for banishing him to the underworld and asks his forgiveness, as he has forgiven Hades for his actions. Hades decides to help Zeus and stop Kronos in contrast to Ares, who still wants to proceed to the former's revival. Perseus arrives and frees Zeus. Ares wounds Zeus with Hades' pitchfork, allowing Perseus to obtain it before he and the others escape Tartarus with Zeus, aiming to retrieve Zeus' thunderbolt from Ares in order to defeat Kronos. Perseus challenges him to a duel. Meanwhile, Andromeda's army is overwhelmed by the Machae. Hades revives Zeus and together they defeat the creatures. Kronos appears and begins to attack Andromeda's army. Zeus and Hades hold off Kronos while Perseus duels Ares, eventually killing him with the thunderbolt. Combining the gods' weapons into the Spear of Triumph, Perseus destroys Kronos by traveling to his heart and throwing the spear into it. Zeus reconciles with Perseus and then dies of his wounds. Hades leaves, telling Perseus that he is now powerless. Perseus kisses Andromeda, and Helios tells his father that he wants to return to his life as a fisherman, but Perseus tells him they cannot. Perseus encourages Helios to be proud of himself, as he is the son of Perseus and the grandson of Zeus. The film ends with Perseus giving his sword to Helios. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and greetings.